Now let's install Pycharm. Go to Google and then search for Pycharm. The first website will be the website of JetBrains. Click on it and then click on download. Now this is the professional version which requires money, but you can scroll down and there's a community version which is for free. Download that and then choose the path where you want to download Pycharm. Now after the setup is installed, click on it and then install Pycharm. In the next video, we are going to code our first Python program. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.